Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to talk about improving your return on investment on social media videos. So creating video content is a lot of work, right? So you want to make sure you're getting the most out of your videos, the most engagement possible by doing a couple of very simple little hacks. So number one, you want to make sure that you're uploading your social videos natively to each and every social media platform. So what does this mean? What it means is instead of sharing a YouTube link on Facebook, for instance, what you should be doing is uploading the video directly to Facebook, natively to Facebook. And what this will do is it will get you more visibility because the algorithm on Facebook will favor native videos as opposed to third-party videos. And this is almost universal across the board for all social media platforms. So upload natively. Number two, realize that most people on social media are watching video content without sound. So this is really, it's really scary for people like me, for instance, who make these talking head videos. You can imagine how boring this video would be without sound, right? So you want to make sure that you include closed captioning or subtitles or captions or something visual so that people who are watching without sound still can engage with your video and they won't, turn it off or move on. So if you want to get more engagement with your social videos, make sure you include subtitles. That's number two. Number three, finally, is you want to put some serious thought in your descriptive text, especially your titles. So put some thought into what you title your videos because that's what's going to grab people's attention first and foremost. So make sure you use keywords and key phrases and include some descriptive text that will also enhance your video, add value to your video, so that once again you get more engagement, more likes, more comments, more shares because you've included some thoughtful descriptive text. So that's it. 3 really simple things that you can do to make sure you get more out of your social video. Number 1, make sure you upload natively. Number 2, make sure you get closed captioning. And number 3, make sure you put some thought into your descriptive text, especially the titles. That's it for this week. If you found this helpful, I hope you did. Please subscribe. I put out a new article, a new video every week. Until next week, take care.